Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've had a couple of questions about the Windows 10 Cloud, or Windows Cloud, basically. So it's not just Windows 10, it could be Windows 11. It's really a Windows Cloud platform. And is it still a thing? We haven't heard about that much, and it was something that was talked about a lot at some point. And so what's the status of this? Could it be coming to, regular folks wanting to have a Windows PC? How does it work? It's pretty much oriented for the business side of things. It's still existing, and they actually branded the Windows Cloud or Windows 10 Cloud into Windows 365. So Windows 365, what is it? It simply means that if you have a browser that has connected to the internet, it's all that you need. The computer side of it and the computing side of it is done on the cloud by a computer, and it actually does what you want. All you need is fast, access to the internet, so that the basically the screen layout, what you ask, what you click, what you do, just appears on your screen on the browser, as if the browser is basically the output of that machine. It is not something, it's expensive, and it is not something I think for most people. Could it be someday? I don't know. The business side is different than the, regular side, the user side, if you want. And I would see more people probably going into other things like, having a tablet or just using other devices than using an online computer. There would be not much sense for most people to do that. But if you are a business owner, or if you are somebody that requires to have access to a computer everywhere, and maybe you travel and so on, well, instead of bringing along computers, all you need is a simple device that has a browser, and you're connected. So you can easily, with some really, really low power device, as long as it connects to the internet and that the browser works well, is all you need, and it would let you do what you want. It also has the advantage of being cloud, which means once you log in, all your projects are there. Everything that you do is there. So you can do it on any PC and any device, anywhere, as long as you just log into your accounts. So there's some advantages for this. That's definitely the case. But I don't think this will come to the end user at home, at least for now. And I don't see a user at home having any real use for this. I mean, I don't think you want to pay every month to use a PC. Of course, it does have the advantage that if you have an old PC, instead of buying a PC, you could, subscribe to this and use a PC online. Yeah, I get it, but I don't know. For the home user, I don't see that much of a importance in this. But definitely for business, I think it's a good idea. What do you guys think about this? What would you use, or would you, if it would be offered at a very decent price, prefer using a cloud-based PC through a browser? Or do you prefer having your own computer? And do you see the need or the use for this for home users? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.